from the 14th of the second month of 1442. Queen of Wands with the 9, the Hermit, and 2 of Wands reversed. She calmly says, I have the power, and her cat looks concerned for you. He bridges realities and stays exceptionally conscious in the fluctuating hours. Have you forgotten that the mythology of the past is about you? A doorway opens to possibilities beyond even the decisions available to you. Do you need other guides than yourself to get you through this region? Do not cower, but work your possession of your religiosity. And so any thoughts in particular about the cards or the poems to open up with?
I feel like patience, understanding, helping one through life, the opening the door, and a person becoming free, I guess you could say. You're truly free when you're able to be able to think clearly. It makes for a much better life.
So, the 2 of Wands for some people is going to be the most interesting card. I don't really think so, but those figures on hillsides, and what what the guy's actually doing with the sticks. This tells the direction. So that it's bound to line up with something astronomical. In real life, it's the sort of things bound that line up with something astronomical, because they use sticks to figure out the directions. They divide the sky and the stars from here, and so it would help them figure out that. But they have they have those figures on the hillside, and people do stuff on the figures in the hillside, and
like graffiti.
This woman's like more of the she's seated more open than the other people. And I mean, you're sitting on a chair, it doesn't really make really much of a difference how relaxed you are in that sort of position, but that's the difference with this queen. And the Hermit is not so much on the edge, so he's more of a stable guy. And he's got the wolf with him, so he's like totally wild, and he's out there alone. But then again, he's civilized because he's got, he's got that lantern. Okay.
Yeah. I feel balance, and like maybe that's where I thought, the thought came to me of clearing the mind. Maybe a hermit being alone for a while will help clear your mind.
Oh, and it's the California card. You see that?
California card. No, you can't see it.
Okay.
I saw a flash of it.
Okay, because the star and the bear.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I don't remember where we're looking at this. Do we because so I guess move on to the next one here.